So guys, I built this software within the 2 days using the bold.new. Thank you team for offering this free credentials. And this is my last 2 years idea and I'm able to bring it to life because of you guys only. But due to short time, actually, see, within just 30 minutes to submit. So I'm just giving overall things. So this is my futures freelance. This is for freelancers and service providers. So freelancers having the CRM of following these details, and the client management project providers will be having these modules. So complete CRM has been built end to end. I'll show you. This is a client one, so where client can log in and they can able to get the services offered through this filters in the industries wide or platform wide. So here they will see, they can see what are the services are available related to their projects. So even they can able to post the project through click post project, and they can able to manage all their projects in my projects. So this is pretty much for um, clients who is offering projects, and this is for freelancers. This login is for freelancers. Please sign in using this, and same filters will be available this, but here there is only one difference. All the published projects will be available here, and they can able to view the project, and they can able to submit for that submit the proposals, and including they can able to create their service lists, like whatever the services are they can able to offer, and they can able to manage it in here my services. So here they can see the active things. As I mentioned, in the free plan they can able to go up to three projects, and for the base plan they can go up to the 25 projects. So in the second version, actually, I'm planning with the AI powered inbound and outbound calls, including the predictive analytics functionalities with ONDC capabilities. So ONDC is kind of a blockchain technology offered by Indian government for legal way of doing the businesses in India. So this is my second version will be the integration with the ONDC capabilities. Definitely, it will be there, and along with that, I developed CRM as well using the bold.new. So here you can see the upcoming tasks and recent activities, whatever they have done. So these are the things can be implemented in the next version. I mean, schedule call proposals and other things, and the Kanban board is very active one for better productivity, and they can able to see the dashboard for pre-sales team, sales team, and customer success team to monitor all the projects, and so here they can able to manage tasks, contracts, proposals. So yep, thank you so much.